I'm taking that car. It's my car. You give me this car now. You give me this car right now. Can I take the car? I'm gonna take this car. Uh-oh. Been doing this like 5 minutes now. I think you got it. Look at his line. It's underneath his. Oh. His technique. Oh, he's getting frustrated. What was that? Attention. Oh, you almost got it. I don't get it.